you see, just like in the area of sustainability, you are supposed to look at the carbon footprint, water usage in the entire supply chain. It is imperative for all OEMs to ask, because they look at an audit of all processes as a part of the process improvement activity. Safety should be on job one. I know of big global companies like in oil and gas and in energy, where there is a representative on the board responsible only for safety. It's high time that auto companies in the boards of the companies in their audit committees were to put safety as job one. And two, in asking suppliers to report on process reliability, they are not just looking at applying Six Sigma to 3.4 defects per million, but safety as an important feature, so there is no deviation from that. This depends upon how leaders define their role. If they consider the well-being of their employees as priority number one, this comes from the quality of leaders they are. Their vision in life has to serve the well-being of their people, because they know it's imperative for quality, imperative for productivity, and for building a strong reputation for themselves. What does this mean? For example, tell them that as soon as you enter your factory, you should put up a big hoarding or a digital board which says so many years or days without accident. And when they are proudly displaying that, I have spent 5,000 days in my factory without a single accident. And they all have annual days. We should encourage these owners, when they speak, to give a public speech to say, I am going to move from my current status of accidents happening at this frequency to this new shared vision that we will not allow a single accident up to this place. Video record them, play it on the website of our NGO here, so that when people give public commitments, they tend to hold themselves accountable. So these are some absolutely important ones. These owners, many times they are willing to invest in a machine when it gives them higher productivity. One has to help them to change their mindset. It's not investment in capital equipment. It is the investment in the well-being. And they should consider that intangible as important an asset as something else. So I have worked with some of them who have made this transformation. It's all in the mind, and we have to help them to widen their mind to consider this is their job one. It's like Tata Motors in the earlier days named the biggest press tool after it was called JET, after Mr. Talaulikar, the board member of Tata Motors. When press shop, the preventive maintenance and usage and accidents improved dramatically. Because if this is the place where we are worshipping this man, how can we allow that man's name to be tarnished by not maintaining the standards of the right kind?